Lamu Yangzi is a Chinese actress and TV show host. She graduated from the School of Journalism of Chongqing University. She was born on August 24, 1995. In 2022, she starred in the legendary life of Queen Lo. The same year, she also played A Year Without a Job and The Fairy Lady. She is a young actress who is very passionate about acting and wants to become an international star. In 2021, she appeared in Song of Youth. The same year, she also played Court Lady. Everyone around her told her how beautiful she looked, and her love for the television dramas further compelled her to eat right and exercise regularly to keep herself fit for a future in the entertainment industry. In 2020, she starred in The Sleuth of Ming Dynasty. The same year, she also played No Choice But to Betray the Earth and Count Your Lucky Stars. In 2019, she starred in Arc Life 2. The same year, she also played Arc Director. In 2017, she starred in The Lovely Family. Furthermore, she has made her presence felt both in films and television with her versatile acting skills. In 2022, she worked in movie Puppy Love. The same year, he also played My Blue Summer and Post-Truth. In 2021, she worked in film Overall Planning. The same year, she also played My Country, My Parents. She has attained quite much in her still early career and seems to be hungry for more and more. She appeared in 2018 film Fat Buddies. The same year, he also played Cry Me a Sad River.